to the garden art program.
Today is nature's art class. I'm Master Gardener Diane Fry, and these are my lovely granddaughters.
I'm Olivia.
And this is Zoe. And we're going to show you how to make 3 projects. You will get a kit, and it will look like this.
One of the first things you'll get is the directions, which tell you the steps on which you get to do the things inside your bucket. You're going to get a press, 2, and kit 3. There is no kit 1.
Oh, yeah.
The press is 1.
Well, the press is kit 1. And then you're going to have your bucket that holds it all, and you can collect flowers in.
So we're going to take our buckets outside, and we're going to collect.
We're going to collect flowers to put into our press to make a mandala and a bookmark.
And these are the things we need. Oh, and flowers.
Right. So we're going to go outside and we're going to collect things that will work really well flat like this.
So ferns, flowers are some really good ideas for flat things for your mandala and bookmark. So let's take our buckets and go outside. You have a geranium. The leaves will be really good to press because of their flat shape.
These would be good.
Another flower you can get is clematis. You can get the whole flower or you can get petals. They're really easy to come off.
Really, these leaves would be good because they're really flat. And maybe one of the flowers would be good too. So here is a rhodey leaf. They are really flat, so they would be really good to do it. And they're really pretty only if they don't have bites on it.
We have found another plant in the garden that would be good. They're these little purple leaves, which are a really pretty dark purple color and will do nicely to hang up somewhere. You could also get some leaves like this, but if you're climbing the tree to get to them, you're gonna want parent supervision and permission.
If you have a poppy bush, these poppies would be really good for putting it flat because they're really pretty. Inspector will be a little hard to do where that is. You can see they are very pretty and they would do really good.
Another flower or petal you can get is rose petals. They're really good flat. They smell good and they look good. Now we are going to get kit 2. So first we're going to get our contact paper, which I also called sticky paper in the first video. We're going to lay that out first. And we're going to take our circle and border the mandala and stick it down on there. And in the circle of the mandala, we're going to find some flowers or leaves that we put in our bucket earlier, and we're going to lay them out on there. You don't need glue for this either, but you will need scissors, like in the last video. Okay. Once you have placed the flowers in the position that you want them to, you're going to take your other piece of contact paper and you're going to fold it up on there. You're going to make sure that the flowers are flat on there so they won't come up. You're going to want to go from the side because I found that they like to be all staticky and try to stick to the paper. So it might take you more than one try. So I'm going to hold my flower down, then put that on it.
And then wait.
We're going to try and get the creases out, but it's okay if there are creases in it. And you're going to pick it up. You see, that's how mine turned out. And we're going to take our handy dandy scissors and cut around the circle of the mandala. And it's okay if you cut the edges a little. So now that we have our part of our mandala, we're going to get our string.
Oh, to the hole.
And more in our scissors again. I'm going to get, and we're going to recut the hole like we did last time. We're going to use the scissors or a hole puncher. I'm going to take the part that doesn't have the knot on it and put it through the hole.
Okay. This is hard.
Just keep trying. Once you've got it through the hole, you can take it and loop it around that, and then it'll automatically knot it. And there you have your mandala. Okay, now you get your press and choose the flowers or petals or even leaves that you want to use to make your bookmark. So we're going to open it.
Stop. You get this and you open it at the left and the right.
Take the first panel of wood and cardboard off, and then you have 2 paper towels. You're going to put the flowers you want to use in the paper towels. And once you've chosen them all, I'm going to choose this cute purple one and a purple petal I have. I'm going to fold them in it. Once I get them nice and flat, I'm going to fold them in it. Put them back in the press, put the cardboard on.
There's 2 places. See, there's another place underneath that, so you can put more in.
Yes, if you want to make more than one or make more flowers go in it and you don't have enough room. Then you're going to Velcro it back up. Then you're going to wait 2 weeks for it to fully get, you know, like smushed and flattened.
And dry.
And dry. Then, once you've waited 2 weeks, your flowers will be nice and pressed and you'll be able to open them. You'll be able to open the tissue, and then you'll have these nice flattened flowers, but you have to be really gentle with them because now they are very fragile and you can break them quite easily. we're going to take our pressed flowers. Take out our bookmark, tissue paper, and sticky paper.
And for this one, you need some glue,
You need
whatever
some glue.
kind you have.
Whatever kind. And you're going to take the tissue paper and your glue out first. Make sure the glue doesn't have any glue at the top blocking it. I know I had that problem. And you're going to put little dots of glue on the top, middle, and bottom of your tissue paper, just tiny little blots. Then you're going to take the bottom of your bookmark, this part, and put the tissue paper on it. Do it quick so none of the glue gets on your hand or anywhere else. You're going to smooth it out once you put it on. Then it should look like this. I know it might look a little funny with the blots, but that's where the glue is, and then it will look like that, and you won't see the blots anymore once it's dried. Now you're going to take your pressed flowers and put them in the positions you want them to be on the bookmark. I'm tired today. Then you're going to take your sticky paper and fold it over, and you don't even have to glue the flowers to it. You just have to put them where you want them to be on the bookmark. Then you're going to have to bite your paper to get the sticky part off. And as you can see, my sister has done it, but I have not. See? So then you're going to fold your paper over it. As you can see on the back, you have it folded over. And then once you're done with that, you're going to clip a new hole in there and then put your tassel in. You see, yeah, you're gonna fold it. If there are creases, that's okay. If there's not, that's okay too. It's your art. And it doesn't have to be perfect. So you see, some of you might have extra at the top, some of you might have extra at the bottom. You're going to take your scissors and very carefully cut off the top or bottom. And then you can see you have your press almost done now. You're going to re-poke the hole in it so you can put your tassel through. Now that we've used the hole puncher or scissors, whatever works, to remake the hole, I'm going to take your tassel. I'm going to fold it right at the bottom there so you have a little bit to go through the hole. I'm going to poke it through the hole. There.
I don't know how to do a knot.
You don't need to do a knot. You can just put it through the hole like this. Where you put it through the hole.
You can do that too. But then you'll have your flower press of the bookmark done.
And that's project 3.